graphing sine and cosine functions. So the first step when graphing a sine and cosine function is you need to find the a, b, h, and k values, which come from the equation. They're also known as the amplitude, the period, the horizontal shift, and the midline. So for this problem, we have to factor out b, which is our period. And so now that we have b, we can write in our ABHK values, which are going to show us what we have to do when we graph the function. And so now that we have these values, we can go ahead and draw our midline, which is going to be at -4. And then we also want to go ahead and pay attention to where the period starts and ends. So we're going to count 4 boxes in and mark it as 2 pi over 3 because that's what we got for our b value, which is our period. So we're going to skip the 3rd line and we're going to come over to the 2nd line and take 2 pi over 3 divided by 2, which is going to give us pi over 3. And then we're going to divide that by 2 again, which will give us pi over 6. So from there, we're able to plot our data onto the graph. And so
the first part of the data, for sine functions, they start on the origin, which is actually the midline for -4. But the horizontal shift is also left pi over 3. So we have to go left pi over 3 and put a line. And then when you go about, you have to remember your amplitude so that you know how many spaces to go up or down. So since the amplitude's 2, we have to go up 2 spaces and go up 2 and then down 2 and so on and so forth. And once you're done drawing all of them, then you just connect the lines. And then you draw arrows on the ends because they go for infinity.
And so basically with all of our shifts and our ABHK values, that is how you're able to do a sine or cosine function.
Thanks for tuning in.